Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw a nice fish called bighead carp. Let's draw the outline first. We're using a pen for the nice outlines here. This is the head, and it has a special characteristics of its body parts, the arrangements of the scales and other parts. That's how the fish looks different. So if you want to know which fish is the name and what's called of each type of fish, so you need to learn the body characteristics to know the fishes well, especially the names. Another hard scales you can see here in the bottom. This fish is called bighead carp. The scientific names will be provided in the thumbnails. In our channel we are going to have lots of drawings of different types of fishes with their scientific names, so this is also very good for academic purpose. So bighead carp has taller parts like these ones, and the head is regular, not that much bigger, but the name is bighead carp. That's interesting. All right, so few outlines we're going to put here like this. Okay, so the outline is done. Now we're going to put the color, which is going to be the shades for this fish, and we're starting from the head, putting the colors. Usually the head is the darker parts of the body, and usually this is darker than the body part. Body parts have the lighter shades because it has lots of scales, so many scales out there. All right, now let's put the darker shades for the scales here. So you can see the shades, which is nicely done here. And a light shade in the bottom you can see on the eyes too. All right. Going to put lots of skills, but that's not the all details. It's like a graphical presentations of the skills here. But the most important thing is that the shape of the body that defines which type of fish this is. All right, so each details defines the fish of its own group. So you like the video, I hope you like it, and please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on for more updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. This fish is called bighead carp. So when you this fish in the market, you can see these characteristics within its body. That's how we know it. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day.